So this week's hot new product comes courtesy of BC Racing. I can tell just by the box, it is BR series coilovers, and I know these are for an in-house build.
Look, tell a man no trouble, I don't want beef.
A Lexus ES350 and ES350. I know these fit another handful of models, including the Lexus ES300h. Other than that, I can't tell you much based on the box, so let's get inside. Got some really sweet stickers, BC, thanks guys. I like those. Air freshener. Okay, so we've got everything out of the box. Just a quick rundown of what we're looking at. Obviously your front coilovers are here with the integrated camber plates. For some applications, rear camber plates are available. They're not on this one. I think you can option them whether your application allows it or not. So these ones right here would be your rears, and then obviously the rear springs to go with it once fully assembled. Also comes with, as you would expect, adjustment wrenches and Allen keys, a big one and a small one for all the integrated hardware. So one cool thing that these do offer, because of the design that these cars use, there's an integrated endlink attachment to your coilovers. So these are BC endlinks. The blue is just a protective plastic to protect the bushings. Those will attach right here on the perch. It also comes with these cool, I've never seen these before, these are extenders. So in the event that your rear suspension adjustment knob, which you can find here at the top, you'll install that after you get the coilover into its position. In the event that you can't reach that adjustment knob, or at least can't reach it easily, it comes with these cool little extenders. And using that small Allen key, you can actually affix this to the adjustment knob, and you can keep it there just to make adjustment a little easier. It's still got the same printing that you would see on the adjustment knob on the top of this, and you can rotate it remotely, or remotely enough, a little easier than crawling into, say, the back of your trunk or wherever this is actually sticking out at the end. That's a nice little touch by BC. We did mention at the beginning, these are the BR series coilovers. So BRs are the entry level into BC Racing, but that doesn't mean they skimp on performance or ease of use or how low you can go or anything like that. These are actually really well put together. You can see by the build quality, we'll get a close-up just how nicely everything is welded, all the quality of the hardware. The collars are really nice, springs are really nice. BC does offer custom spring rates and swift spring upgrades if you're so inclined. I have done that on my car with my coilovers, and I can say that was definitely worth it. As I mentioned, the integrated adjustment knobs, this offers 30 clicks of rebound and dampening simultaneously. That's on the front and the rear. If you have a special application and you're tackling something very specific, BC, like I mentioned, offers custom spring rates. These are just the default spring rate for the application. Nothing too fancy, but still definitely gonna get the job done. You can also get the extreme low option from BC. We've installed BC coilovers in the past on an in-house G37 build, and we didn't opt for the extreme low, and it was still more than applicable. Like, it worked really well, it got really low. So if you're trying to get crazy low, maybe that's more for you. But if you're just looking for street driving, this is definitely the way to do it. BC stands behind their product because they do offer a 1-year warranty against manufacturer defects, and these kits are fully rebuildable. So if anything goes wrong, easy enough to replace one part rather than replacing an entire coilover. All in, really good, really comprehensive kit for your vehicle, and at the affordable entry-level prices of the BR series, which is really nice, especially when you consider the quality that you're getting. If you want to learn more about this product specifically, or to see what BC Racing coilovers are available for your application, head on over to bcracing-na.com and you can see what they've got for your ride as well.